AMEYOKO is a busy market street along the Yamano line tracks between Okakimachi and Ueno stations. The name AMEYOKO is a short form for AMEYOKO Candy Store Alley, as candies were traditionally sold there. Alternatively, also stands for America, because a lot of American products used to be available when the street was the site of a black market in the years following World War II. Today, products such as clothes, bags, cosmetics, fresh fish, dried food, and spices are sold along AMEYOKO. Opening hours and closing days depend on individual stores, but they typically open around 10 o'clock and close around 20 o'clock. Many stores close on selected Wednesdays. The street features a huge variety of small retail businesses selling seafood, fruits and vegetables, general groceries, discount clothing, accessories, cosmetics, watches, and confectionery. There are also a large number of stalls selling street food snacks, along with cheap restaurants, cafes, and bars. AMEYOKO is very popular with tourists, and over half the customers visiting the market are said to be from overseas. Additionally, AMEYOKO Market is close to both Koreatown and Asakusa, famous for its many sightseeing spots. And since the atmospheric open-air market has always been very popular among international visitors, AMEYOKO Market is known as extremely welcoming and tourist-friendly since many years. Take a stroll through this wonderfully busy and bustling shopping area and take a look at some of its most popular shops, stores, and stalls. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.